Hey guys, thanks for tuning in and stopping by the channel. Today's video will be unboxing our newest Ambassador MK3. If you're new to this channel and you're interested in seeing cool things like behind the scenes on how we chose certain colorways or why we use this model for a certain collab, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, let's get into the details of breaking down this watch. Before we actually break down the details of the watch, let's check out the box that it does come in. So if you've ordered a watch from us, you're going to notice the difference in the box. It has completely been restructured. It is much smaller, guys, and much thinner. But like all the other boxes, it still does have a paper shell, and on that paper shell, it does have the part number. This one in particular is AM241RB, and RB does stand for rubber band. So removing this paper shell, you are exposed to the box, and it still has that great structure. It's nice and sturdy, and it has that really cool crosshatch feel and look to it, along with the big MSTR MM embossed in it, guys. Now the new feature on this box is the slide pull out tab on it, so you can slide this out and it does pull the box out with ease. After pulling that out, you're getting exposed to the foam padding, which is protecting your watch in transit from dust and stuff like that. So if you want to travel with your watch or just keep it in box and storage, make sure you put this foam storage over it. That just helps with not only keeping some of that dust out, but protecting the watch as well. So removing some of this padding, or actually removing all the padding, you're going to get exposed to the actual instruction card, and this is for your Ambassador MK3. So you turn this over and this is going to tell you exactly how to set your watch. Okay guys, let's get into the actual watch. Okay, so before we remove the watch, let's talk about the padding around it. It has this really nice thick foam that is cut out in the shape of your watch, and this keeps your watch safe and secure in transit. It keeps it from not moving around in place with this nylon strap. So all you have to do is push this up and then slide the watch out, and that is how you're going to release your watch. And here it is, our newest Ambassador MK3 in titanium gray, black face with hints of champagne gold on it. And guys, to me, the first thing that really just stands out on this is the champagne gold that is blending in so well with the black face and the titanium gray case. That champagne gold around the chronograph with the M and the MSTR, even around the date, just really ties it in together. It meshes so well. Next, you have this beautiful black face, and in the middle of this black face, there is layers. So in the middle of that black face, there is a beautiful sunray dial black, and on top of that is a flat black. So those two mixtures together really tie in the detail and help that champagne gold just really pop out. Like all Ambassador MK3s, it does feature our signature 8 hexagon bolts, as well as these cuts, guys. You're only going to find this on the Ambassador MK3 model, and that really brings out the structure of the case, of the bezel. It helps it pop. It gives it that really strong look. Turning the watch over to its side, you see this hidden detail that's Meister engraved, and it's big. It's such a pleasant surprise to see it for the first time. There's a lot of quality behind it. Turn that over and you're going to notice the M crown. This M is engraved on it as well, guys, and it is a small detail, but because our craftsmanship, we are so prideful of it, we love to just add as much details as we can. The case is made of NASA grade 316 stainless steel. The movement for this watch is a Japanese Seiko VD53 chronograph movement. It does indeed feature a date, day, and timer window. For this Ambassador MK3 is our silicone rubber strap, and in the middle of that you do see this nice textured cool pattern that gives it a real sporty feel, a real sporty look. It feels really nice and light on your wrist. Another really good feature on our band is the fact that it's interchangeable. So you can easily change this band out to a different silicone color band or a leather band, and all you have to do is push down this latch right here. That's going to release the band that easy, guys. And now this watch can be customized to your liking, to your feel, whether you want to do a leather band or a different color silicone band. It's totally up to you. Okay, let's turn the watch over and see what details are on the back. First thing you notice is this Ambassador MK3 logo, and that is engraved, as well as the number. All watches are numbered, and most of our numbers go anywhere from 100 to 300 to 500, but that's really rare. Like all Ambassadors MK3, they are water resistant to 100 meters. Okay guys, that's going to wrap up the breakdown of the details of our Ambassador MK3. If you've enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. Make sure you are subscribed. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them down in the comments. We do check them daily, guys. Tell us what your favorite part of the video was. Was it the unboxing of the watch or the materials that we chose to bring it all together, guys? Either way, let us know in the comments. Stay tuned for some really cool detailed shots of this watch on wrist and lifestyle photos. As always, guys, thanks for stopping by the channel. We do truly appreciate it. Have a great day.
Wait till we love you forevermore.